Yes.
What happens, and that becomes a very large sticking point that cousin cousin Eddie is gotten hired
Mhm.
for something that's not doing anything, that nobody believes cousin Eddie needs to be there, but is sucking off of the teat of success of others
Yeah.
instead of just being there and being a contributor. So job description, really important. We spent a bunch of time on that.
Yep.
Your
Yep.
next thing that I see in your notes here is benchmarking. When you say benchmarking, what are you referring to?
Part of the benchmarking is for this role, what are the key behaviors that are going to be successful?
Okay.
And so, and then when we talk, yes, there's this part also has an assessment component to it.
So behavioral benchmarking as well as financial benchmarking is what you're
Correct.
doing for the role.
Yes.
So when you do I'll just use the Talent Insights TI job as the job
Yes.
benchmarking
Yes.
as an
Yep.
example. Um,
Hmm.
when you take your clients to that benchmarking, how often do you have arguments over the scaling of what they're looking for, given your knowledge of what the role really needs versus what they think? Yeah, we don't want somebody paying attention to detail. They just need to get done quickly. Are you
Uh huh.
sure?